Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical basics and capturing details. You must test the cable, USB port, and enclosure on another computer right away. Once done, open Disk Management or Disk Utility to see if the drive appears and note its reported capacity, partition table, and any unusual power flags. Make sure to write down the model and firmware version for later. This prevents wasted time and prepares you for the next stage, where you will access the drive directly. Now you move into the detailed execution. Remove the enclosure and expose the SSD board carefully, keeping screws and thermal materials in order. Once exposed, identify whether the drive is SATA or NVMe and connect it via a direct adapter or dock to your host machine. This avoids enclosure controller faults. Make sure you are grounded to prevent static damage and connect only to a known good power source. These steps let you isolate firmware or controller issues versus the external enclosure problems. Finish by performing repair actions based on what you found. If the drive is detected, run the vendor toolbox to update firmware, check SMART, and attempt a secure erase or bad block repair while you back up critical data. Once done, rebuild partitions or clone the drive if you plan reuse. If the SSD remains unseen after adapter swaps and power cycling, make sure to try another host. If that fails, do not continue invasive work. Contact a professional data recovery service, since controller-level fixes can destroy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.